Hospitalizations are also at very high levels, but over the past 10 days, fewer people have been admitted. Starting Monday, Banner hospitals will even be able to start back some elective procedures. ABC 15's Mike Pelton keeping us in the know on what's happening at our state's hospitals.
Numbers don't always tell the full story, but indeed, Valleywise Health Chief Clinical Officer Dr. Michael White says much like the statewide numbers indicate, Valleywise is seeing a downturn in patients over the past week.
Where we're seeing improvement is we're not needing to hold as many patients in the emergency department. We're able to more easily transfer patients between ICU levels of care and then downgrade them as they're improving.
Statewide numbers show the number of COVID patients still far higher than even the summer peak, but for now, heading the right direction.
Gives us some time for folks to get rest and catch our breath. We continue to watch this, and we continue to watch COVID-19 disease, within the communities and within, the state of Arizona from this. This is a positive trend, but it is just that, a trend.
Unlike the summer, when hospitalizations rapidly decreased starting in late July, Dr. White projects our systems might plateau with a slower decline in numbers of patients. Anne-Marie Almadine with the Arizona Hospital and Healthcare Association agrees.
If you look at what happened in the summer, we had a significant decline because there were really aggressive public health interventions. We had, businesses and statewide, we had closures, and there were intervention strategies that were at play. We don't have those in play right now, and so we do not expect to have that steep decline that we had in the summer.
Some beds also available because of those who don't survive. While it takes weeks to officially report, the state now showing over New Year's, Arizona with 2 consecutive weeks of more than 800 deaths, the deadliest weeks of the pandemic. Health officials also concerned about emerging mutations of the virus around the world.
I continue to be concerned, and I continue to be concerned because we have been at such a high capacity for Arizona hospitals for such a sustained amount of time. And then we have these variables with respect to the variants where we don't know what's going to happen in terms of a higher transmission rate.
As is so often the case in this pandemic, the outlook is fluid. Mike Pelton, ABC 15, Arizona.